The next problem. The figure shows a body of weight 300 Newton on a horizontal plane is attached by a string to a 30 Newton weight which hangs vertically. Find the acceleration of the system and the tension in the string for the following cases. Number 1, the horizontal plane is smooth. The horizontal plane is rough if mu is equal to 1 by 16. Very important problem. That is, the block 300 Newton is connected to the block 30 Newton through the string which is passes through over a pulley. Now consider the case. This is the case 1. That is smooth surface. So keep in mind, you have to remember, there is a smooth surface means there is no frictional force are acting. No frictional forces are acting on the block A. So this is the first case. Now we are going to find the value of acceleration and t. Okay, solution. In this problem also I am going to draw the free body diagram for block A and block B separately. First I am going to take block B. Here we have to focus one more thing. Even though the block A is more weight 300 Newton than the block B 30 Newton, but how about the motion? Whatever it may be, the block A is more weight than B. Because of the 30 Newton weight is hanged, so the block B moves downward direction. Block B is downward direction, or it tides, that is the direction of motion. It tides comes down. The block A moves towards rightward direction. This is a basic concept. So now I am going to draw the free body diagram of block B. The direction of motion is downwards. This is the free body diagram. The weight of the body is acting towards downwards. The tension T is moves upwards. The body comes downwards. That is, the block B comes downwards. So the inertial force is acting upward direction. Summation of horizontal force, vertical force is equal to 0. There is no horizontal forces, so vertical force is equal to 0. I am hitting T minus 30 plus MA equal to 0. So far I am getting the equation T plus 3.058 A equal to 30. This is the first equation. There is no horizontal forces. Now I am going to draw the free body diagram of block A. So if the block B comes towards downwards, the block A moves rightward direction. So this is the direction of motion. So the inertial force is acting towards leftward direction. Keep in mind, because of smooth surface, there is no frictional forces are acting. So the horizontal force here, no vertical force, no need to calculation vertical force, no need. This is no need. The vertical force, this one is no need. No need to do this. No need to draw the NRA because of there is no frictional force. So the horizontal force equal to 0. So T minus MA equal to 0. I am getting the equation 2. So if I solve the both equation 1 and 2, I am getting the value of tension in the string and acceleration.